What's for lunch?
Healthy food.
Ew. That's much better.
Huh? Pick it up this instant. No more junk food in this house. Here, your lunch. Throw it away immediately.
She seems to be busy. Oh, great, my precious. Uh-oh. Hi. Oh. Not a problem.
Ahem. No junk food in here. The best breakfast ever is ready.
The best? Ew.
Your turn.
Must
Sure,
I?
it's so healthy.
No. Yep.
Good, isn't it? Left, right, left, right, left.
All clear. Yummy. Oh no. I have to hide it, but where? Left, right.
I know all your tricks.
Coming. Wait, but I can't just leave it like that. Now, can I? Here it is.
Poor kid. Here, go buy some bread.
Wait, it's not what... whatever.
Here, take some peas and broccoli.
Oops, just a sec, I'll pick up. Time to go. Here I am. Oh, how clumsy am I today? Where is my burger? Silly animal. Ouch! Ow! That's my last chance. Wait, and where is Liza?
I can explain. I can share.
A bribe. Good.
And your drink. Wake up, Piro! Wait, I'll help you. Here, keep it on. And a scarf. Time to go. You're back.
Yep, totally worn out.
Piro, your hands.
What's wrong with them?
Go and wash them.
Ta-da.
Dinner's ready. Stop it! Sweets are not allowed. This is your meal.
This?
Huh?
No, it was so good, thanks.
Really? Awesome. Huh?
Ouch! Now what's wrong?
I bet you haven't brushed your teeth.
Ah.
Huh? Wait a minute. No, really. How is this possible? Something fishy's going on here. Huh, I've got an idea. Now, where should I? Uh-huh. Here. Uh-huh. And one more. Have a good workout. Bye. Now I'll find out the truth. Well...
That's for you, my friend.
You... Huh? Then what are you doing at the gym? Duh. Uh-huh.
Huh? Great.
What? I can't believe my eyes!
Hey, bro. All done.
Huh?
Delicious.
Whoa!
Thanks a lot.
Oh, the nerve! Please, please!
Do-do-do-do. Wop-dop-dop. Up. All done.
But I thought... Huh?
Honey, I'm home.
And how can you explain this?
Sorry, gotta wash my hands first.
Huh? Oh no, darling. You aren't allowed to take it off. Now go.
Aw.
Ahem.
Huh? Aw. Okay.
That's better.
It's time for a snack. What do I have here? Ah, my lucky day. Oh, pinky goodness. Oh, nom, 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 nom. Now I feel way better. I'm sure I won't have trouble with falling asleep now.
Ouch.
My ride's here. Okay, take me to the 4th floor. Huh? What's that?
You are too fat, too fat, too fat. The elevator is going to collapse.
I'm fat! What a nightmare. Phew, still just a nightmare. Oh no, I'm starving again. But what's that divine aroma? It smells like my Piro's cooking. Oh, let me see.
Almost done here.
I was right.
All your favorites. Ready?
No, I can't. I'm on a diet.
Whatever makes you happy. I'll just have some mouth-watering pancakes. Huh?
Never again will I open this evil box. No way. It's all this box's fault.
Whoa.
And a chain. Just to be on the safe side. Nothing will stop me from losing weight.
Liza, did you just...
I have an iron will.
Oh, Liza's doing yoga again.
Huh? Do I smell pizza? A walking pizza! I'll only buy the necessities. We need some whole wheat bread. It should be here. Oh?
Well, hello, mistress.
Shoo, shoo! Aha! You won't get to me. Ouch! Ha! Got what you deserved. I'm done here. Oh, Piro asked me to buy some meat. Uh-oh. Help! Help! Aha! Now I know! I need to deal with this myself. Ugh! Stop haunting me! I did a great job.
Oh. Your beauty is beyond compare.
Aw, how sweet.
Hey, pretty.
Huh?
Ouch.
I knew my diet would pay off.
Thanks for your help, guys. Here as agreed.
Thanks, bro.
I hope Liza will give up that stupid idea. She's cute as she is. Okay, let's check. Honey, I'm home. Oh, wow.
Hi, Piro. Dinner is ready. Hee hee hee.